I grew up close to Flint, Michigan, and seeing the impact the Flint water crisis had on my local community, I developed a strong interest in utilizing my engineering skills to solve environmental issues. I worked on a research project on algae, where I came up with a novel method for analyzing data and providing treatment recommendations. I built a prototype to gather this data and developed software that linked to this hardware. Aquality is a working device to prevent harmful algal blooms. The robot automatically measures temperature, the amount of all algae, and the amount of toxic algae every hour, using sensors I've installed on the robot. The robot will send the collected data to Aquality's proprietary database. Users will first configure their robot on the Aquality.tech web app and will view the data analysis on the dashboard in 3 parts. First, the monitoring algae section, where you can see graphs of the data collected by the robot. Second, the risk prediction section, which shows the risk level for algal blooms. And third, the treatment recommendation, where users can see what treatment will be the most efficient at removing algae.